Harley riders hate this. Plug-and-play BEHDIN98 radio turns your ride into a rolling concert. Ever been halfway down the highway with your tunes crackling like AM static from the 70s? Tired of Bluetooth that drops out more than your ex's excuses? You're not alone. Most Harley riders feel stuck with factory sound systems that underdeliver and overpriced upgrades that overcomplicate. You just want crystal clear music, hands-free calls, and zero wiring headaches, without hacking up your ride or draining your wallet. Enter the world of frustration, bulky amps, bad weather blues, and audio setups that sound like a tin can concert. You didn't buy a Harley to sound like a lawnmower with Spotify, right? It gets worse. You've wasted hours elbow deep in wire spaghetti, trying to retrofit a system never meant for your bike. You've missed calls, lost signal, or spent your ride fiddling with settings instead of throttling through curves. Add in rain, sun glare, and brutal road noise, and suddenly your premium audio system feels like a cruel joke. The sound quality is flat. The install is a nightmare. The ride? Kinda ruined. That factory stereo just isn't cutting it, and neither is your patience. Burnout hits different when it's your weekend joyride that's on the line. Time to upgrade, without the drama. The Boss Audio System's BEHDIN98 is your Harley's new best friend. Engineered specifically for 1998 to 2013 Electra Glide and Road Glide models, it's a sleek, all-in-one amplified Bluetooth receiver that snaps in like it was born there. No extra amps. No special harnesses. Just plug and play. With 72 Watt/4 of max power, weatherproof protection, IPX6 front panel, and a super bright 3-inch LCD, you're getting high-end performance with biker-grade durability. Stream Spotify, crush your road playlist, or take calls, all without ever leaving the throttle. Yup, it's that smooth. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an audio evolution. Simplify your setup with one unit that handles it all: Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calling, AM/FM radio, USB playback and charging, even Spotify and Pandora control. The conformal-coated PCB and corrosion-resistant chassis are made to handle whatever the road throws your way. Custom color display and memory save means your setup stays locked in, rain or shine. No more riding silent. No more tangled installs. Just pure, seamless sound. Ready to ride louder, cleaner, and smarter? Scroll down and tap the link to see it in action. Don't get left behind with last-decade tech in your beloved bike. The Boss BEHDIN98 is flying off shelves for a reason. Harley riders everywhere are ditching junk stereos for plug-and-play bliss. With over 1,000 plus happy installs and a 5-star storm-proof reputation, this is your sign to upgrade now. No extra parts. No BS. Just killer sound and zero regrets. Limited units available. Once they're gone, they're gone. So hit that button, join the audio revolution, and give your Harley the voice it deserves. You ride hard, make sure your music does too.